Nixon Hire safety videos, visual guidance for the experienced operator.
Ensure you are familiar with and obey the safety regulations relating to this equipment. Always carry out a work risk assessment prior to the task. Wear suitable personal protective equipment. The operator manual and safety instructions must be read before operating this machine. Replacement operating manuals are available on request from your nearest branch of Nixon Hire. Only use competent, trained personnel to drive the equipment for the purpose intended. Servicing must be in line with the manufacturer guidance. This is displayed in the operator manual and your hire agreement. Never use any equipment which is damaged or defective, and never attempt to modify or convert the equipment. Check tyres for defects. Look for cuts or damage to the tyre. Check the wheel rim and the wheel nuts for damage and security. Check the hub for leaks. Walk around the equipment. Check hydraulic hose condition, steering rams and tipping rams. Check the security and condition of the access steps and the handrails. Check the articulation point and remove any debris. Carry out a visual check of the rollover protection system. This must not be damaged or defective. All bolted connections must be secure, and screws and nuts and bolts must not be damaged. Make sure the locking pins are fully located and the safety clips are in position. ROP systems must not be modified. Check lights for damage in operation. Make sure the red articulation lock bar is in the stowed position and secured with the safety clip. Access the driver station using the steps and handrails and 3 points of contact while climbing. Make sure the hood is fully opened and secure. Check the engine and transmission oil levels using the relevant dipstick. Oil level checks should be carried out every 4 hours. Check the coolant level at the radiator cap or the expansion bottle. Only remove the coolant cap if the engine and radiator are cold. When removing the coolant cap, always unscrew it slowly and allow any pressure to escape before fully removing the cap. Check the brake fluid and hydraulic fluid levels. Loss of fluid indicates a fault in the system. If top-up to any fluids are required, contact your local depot. Check for any loose pipes or cables. Look for any leaks or defects. If there are any defects with the mechanics, immobilize the equipment and report it for repair. When refueling, ensure the equipment is parked safely and is turned off. Remove the fuel cap and insert the nozzle. Wear appropriate hand and eye protection and don't breathe fuel fumes. Don't smoke or refuel next to a heat source. Do not refuel in enclosed places. Wipe up any spilled fuel and clear any spillages as they occur and stay with the equipment while it is being refueled. Close the fuel cap securely when fueled. Make sure the hood is securely closed. From the control position, ensure you're familiar with all the controls. Ensure the parking brake is engaged and the dumper is in neutral before starting. Start the dumper. The clutch pedal, if fitted, or the brake pedal must be depressed when starting. Refer to the operator manual for the equipment type you're using. Turn the wheel using the full lock and check the operation. Check for hydraulic leaks. Check the operation of the skip, keeping clear of trapping areas. Check the brake pedal operation. Complete pre-operation checks as required by your site regulations. Drive according to the conditions, the location, and the local working instructions. Do not use the skip of the dumper to bulldoze items out of your path. Always refer to the operator's manual for the operating limits when using the equipment. Make sure you know the safe working limits for operating on a gradient. Keep the equipment in gear and use the foot brake to slow down when travelling down gradients. When loading the equipment, apply the parking brake, select neutral and turn the engine off. Dismount the equipment and stand in a safe location away from the area of loading. Do not attempt to remount the dumper until the loading operation is complete. Never travel with the skip raised. At the discharge point, apply the handbrake and select neutral. Before discharging the skip, ensure there are no personnel in the discharge area. If tipping into excavations, ensure that a stop block or a banksman is used. If using a swivel skip or a high tip skip, ensure the load is free flowing. Be aware that the centre of gravity is affected by the weight and position of the skip. Pay special attention when discharging solidified loads from the swivel or high tip skip, and never discharge to the side on a gradient, as this can present a danger of overturning. Once discharged, lower the skip before moving or leaving the dumper. Never allow passengers to ride on the machine. Stop the equipment before reversing and make sure the area is clear. Use a banksman if required. When parking the equipment, always choose a safe location, lower the skip, apply the parking brake, select neutral and remove the key. Always climb down from the operator position using 3 points of contact. Do not jump down.
Nixon Hire Safety Videos, a visual guide for the experienced operator, when you need it, where you need it. Look out for our other safety videos where you see the code, or visit our website nixonhire.com.